Hello, I'm going to explain how to link data from multiple workbooks. And the scenario I'll use is it's Christmas time. And we got a family of 4 little kids, and they're going to make their own wish list. So what we're going to do is have them have their own wish list that only they have permissions to update, but then it goes into this combined family wish list that we can give to Santa. So this is Sally's wish list. And only again, she's the only one who can enter things in here. So what she wanted was a teddy bear and a tea set, ties, and duct tape. Okay, kids are who they are. So here's the family worksheet. I've laid this out, get everything all set up. Now what you want to do is you want to link what Sally had in her list to this collection here. So all you do is click on that cell there, hit the equal sign symbol, and you navigate to her list, select the range that has her information in it, and you hit the return key. And you can see the teddy bear showed up there. Now, if you select this little handle right there, it populates the rest of them. Same process happens with Tom. You just go to that first cell, hit equals. You navigate to Tom's list, select that list, hit return, and you got to remember to drag this down. Replicates things. Now to save time, I did that for Jane and Dick. So a few days went on, and Dick remembered that he forgot something that he needed, so he put that into his list, and even without saving, it comes over to this to the family sheet. Now it's important to note that each of these different cells here in the family list are just links to things. So you can't go in here and start typing in this wish list. And it might be good to protect this entry area on your family sheet so you remember not to mess things up. And then it's important to note that all these, your files that you have, the main file, the family file, and these other ones, it's best that they're in the same directory. Because if something happens and Sally moves her file, or Dick does, and you've got links will be broken, and it'll mess things up. You can always repair them, but it's best just to work out of that common directory. Hope this helps.